I have here an equation where we could use the distributive property because it has 5 times and this difference in parentheses. I want you to think about some kind of a situation where this kind of equation would match the situation. In other words, find a situation to match this equation. Think about it for a second. I wrote here that P would be the price of some item. And so thinking of it here is the price minus 3. It is the price reduced by 3. By 3 what? Well, in the context of money, it would have to be $3. Okay? So the price is reduced by $3 first of all, and then that is multiplied by 5 equals that amount. So we could have an item whose price is reduced by $3 and somebody buys 5 of them, right? 5 times that reduced price. And then the total bill is $15.50. And the question would be, what is the price? I mean, the original price before it was reduced by $3. What is the original price? Now here to solve this equation, let me see. I have 5 times a quantity equals this. So I'll divide by 5 first of all. And that's what you would do even if you were solving this without any equation. If I tell you that, okay, something was reduced by $3 and I bought 5 of them and my total bill was this, then you would first find the price of one item by dividing by 5, right? You divide your total bill by 5, you get the price of one item. And in the equation we have now P minus 3 equals this divided by 5, which is $3.10. And then, in the equation, we now add 3 to both sides, right? And P is left alone, and then we add 3, so we get $6.10. And that's what you would do even if you were solving this without an equation. Once you find out how much one of the items was, oh, it was $3.10, but it had been discounted by $3. So originally it must have cost $3 more, or $6.10. Okay, well done with this. And I hope it was helpful.